Californian Classics with this week's offering on our video how-tos. This week we're focusing on the installation of the floor pans, the seat runners and a few in-house bits that we make. Touching on the COVID situation, Boris Johnson rang me up the other day and he just said that there's three things that you gear fanatics out there need to do. You need to stay at home, you need to buy Karmann Ghia parts from Californian Classics. Simple as that, really. So to start with, you'll see the floor pan there. We clean the edges of the pan so that it's ready to take the weld through primer, ready for the seat runners. You can see the weld through primer has been applied there. The reason we use the copper weld through is because it doesn't hit boiling temperature when we spot weld. You'll see us here welding together the seat runners ready for installation later on. We at Californian Classics we sell the seat runners for the late and the early cars. At this point you can see one of our guys, Joe, he's actually heating the join of the tunnel with oxyacetylene torch to burn out any impurities and oils in between the joints before we fit the new pans. Here we show the seat runners being fitted with our spot welding tools, ready for the seats for this 56. Here you'll see some sections that Joe's talking about that we've made up.
Just remanufactured this outrigger that we sell, and I've just stitched it in ready for the floor pans to be spot welded in.
Okay. So guys, there you are. You can see the processes that we use when we're doing the seat assemblies and also putting together the chassis for these cars. This particular chassis is one that we've done for one of our customers, Shaun Mitty. So hello Shaun, hope you enjoy this. At this point I'd like to say like and share this video as last week, and all of the parts that you can see like the floor pans and the seat runners are available in the shop. Thanks a lot, see you next week.